Welcome back to this channel, and remember, the reason why you're seeing movies are reposting, we are trying to raise up some money for my mother's surgery. We raised up 100,000 already, so if you're out there and you want to donate, just contact the number on the screen, and remember, please like, share and comment down below, and go over to Kira's Fashion. Them have wallpaper over there. Just go over there and check them out. The link I got there in the description. So go over there and check them out. And remember, go over Kira TV, like, share, subscribe. Some awesome movie I drop over there too. And remember, the reason why we are repost, we are trying to raise up some money. Remember, alright? So stay safe out there and happy new year. Alright, so you go.
It's done?
Yeah, it's done. Just go hold it, tell me what way you up with your plate, right? Like, so yes, you have one sticker. Just tell them what you want sticker on your phone case or whatever you have, alright?
Alright.
So me tell you how to start here. So, action.
Alright. Welcome to my online store, Kira's Fashion. Welcome to over here. Over here you can find a variety of things. We have clothing, everything we have. We have wall sticker, we want to put on the wall. I also have phone cases for iPhones and Android, Samsung, clear case. I have a nice case. I may have AirPods case also, $1,000. I may have some wallpaper cases, iPhone case and Samsung case, $1,000. You just come over there right now. We also have screen protectors for iPhone 7, 7 Plus, 8 Plus. We have privacy, the dark black one, and we have the clear one. Only $1,500, I get one of them here. No, wrong. Only $1,000, sorry. And remember, we have AirPod cases, iPhone case, Samsung case, $1,000. Wherever I watch this, if a TikTok, go over to the channel, to the Instagram page. Right now, Kira's_fashion, and the WhatsApp business number is 1-876-801-9853. I have clothing, everything. And you just go over to the Instagram page, support me, please and thanks. That good? Go sit down now. Well done. Well, I really appreciate that.
Yeah, man, simple thing that man. Because sometimes I have to just help out people, you understand? Because everybody want to make money, but so many times they don't have the source to make it. There might be a potential, but as they say, you have the exposure so many times. But see, you work out. So I don't know if I help you. I'm not doing nothing either, so I help you.
True, and I'm really glad to find the time for going because some people, they have them spouse, partner, whatever, and then even help them. I'm glad to have you feel me. Anyways, remember say rent to pay next week, and make me glad for that too, because enough man now pay no woman rent and then something there, but I tell you just different, so thanks. So we are going to do now, we are going to mommy.
Yeah, man, I'll go home because it look like say rain I go fall and now I rain catch me.
You post it there, right?
Yeah, man, I post it.
Alright, so later then.
Yeah, so you call there.
Alright. You come again. You walk here.
Yeah.
Oh, that was quick. Hello, Kira's Fashion, how may I help? Alright, so you went over the Instagram page, right? Which item or items would you like? Alright, so you want one of the screen protector and you want the which one? The blue one with the wallpaper butterfly them? Alright, so that is for 750. The screen protector. Oh, that. Sorry about that. That is for 750. The screen protector is 1000, so that's 1750. Could you tell me where you located, please? Alright, so since you're not in my region in Portland, here's what you're going to do. You will have to send the payment through NCB, bank deposit or online transfer, whether you have online bank using. Send proof of payment, then I will proceed. You need to send me your name and your address and your number. I'll proceed to go down to Knotford, then I'll send off a package, send you a screenshot of the receipt, and then you'll be able to pick up. Alright, so I'll text you the necessary information for the banking details. Alright, thank you for shopping Curious Fashion. Appreciate it. Wow, that was quick. Jesus, me have to go call back Rashan right now. So. Hey. Thank you, Lord. We praise your Oh, I see someone. Oh, boy, remember say I'm supposed to pay for me, you know. And me I go and tell me little thing them online and say, you know. Me I don't know still, me I talk to him about it and say, so I want me careful. Oh, so I make careful your collect country come down there. Oh, alright, so when? Tomorrow evening? I can't tell that yet, but when we talk to him in the morning, he's going to come. Every morning he come for an hour. I'll talk to him, see what he said, then we make him know if he can come and stay. So what you going to do? You come work or what? Alright, so you say. I don't know what you mean by you go figure it out. Alright, so let me give you a call then. Oh yeah, no, you're a stranger. You late?
No, really.
Oh, I have something to talk to you about.
What?
So my sister, with their condition,
Yeah.
unfortunately she have some issues up there, so she wanna come down here and stay with me for a while. She go look one job and then she go move. So me I say like, oh, you do your place and I just me alone there, so you don't sleep your night time. And I wonder if me have to ask you, cause you a parent, if she can come stay with me here. Me tell her some dog ask
You know, and she can come over here and stay like, cause I don't really sleep over as you said, as your sister, so she can come stay with you and so. But you gotta change up in your door, cause make she come see place nice and so, alright? Yeah?
you. Yeah man, alright.
Alright, so now later, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, so if that's done. So how long you say I go stay for?
I'm not sure now. So something we're going to country. We're going to country, so this is someone come in here, come and work. So I see me can stay with you.
Alright then, well, yeah, my sister blood, so you can stay up here anytime you want. I just want to get to work, I can always help you out, because remember, say, my work coming out of my financially stable right now, so I don't have a problem, so anyways, maybe I sleep on the same bed, and then the first thing I come, I say, you know, we're kitchen and everybody, so I will go do later now. Like when you're there, you know, you have to go outside.
I know I'm tired, you know, I have a bed and look. You have a bed and write a resume.
Alright then, so I can go on. I'll go around and say, like, kitchen. Oh, you get to with the laptop.
Yeah, man.
So where do you look up places and so you know where you go send it to?
Yeah, man, I have that lock.
Oh, so where you go do? You go send it to the email or you just go bring go drop you off?
You're going to email you right away.
Oh, well, a good thing you do because you say work then they call which part of the country then or work not really up there for you. So what daddy up there going with you, alright?
Yeah, man, ain't good enough.
Alright then, alright. May I go back in the kitchen, just go and do what you do. Make sure your laptop plug in because your battery now work so good here.
Right.
Kira's Fashion, how may I help? Alright, thank you for calling. Good afternoon. Alright, so here's how it goes. You're going to send me the items that you want, items that you want on WhatsApp. And then where are you located? Alright, so you're out of where I am. So I'm going to send it through Knotsford. When it reaches, you'll pay the fee, 700, and then bank transfer, send me a proof of payment, and then I'll continue to send off your package, and then I'll send you the details of when it's going to pick up and the tracking number. Yeah man, so what are you going to do now? You're going to send me your name, address, and phone number on WhatsApp, and the picture of the items that you need. Alright, thank you for shopping with Kira's Fashion. Have a good day.
Morning, sister.
Good morning.
You know, so we get one can do an interview.
What? So quick, that was good. So, when you have a go?
What time do you say? It's about 12 o'clock.
Today? Oh, so you did bring clothes and something?
Yeah, I carry something in, but I'm not sure if you can wear still.
Well, my clothes ain't can fit you can just check in our bottom jar. So, me also one delivery if you could do today too. Well, not even one, more than one can I get beer call from mine. So, me will go up on the road. So, when I come back, you must see me. So, go and go get ready because that's soon 12 o'clock. 9:30 now. Get ready and eat breakfast.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so me go left out and go pack it something and deliver them run a fruit. So later.
Alright.
Good luck to today.
Alright, sis.
Evening, Kira there?
Evening, she come and we're going to do some delivery, you know.
Oh. Just tell her and say, Togadi come check for you, here. Alright.
Yeah.
Rashan! Hello, Rashan! Are you just like a car?
Oh.
Baby, it's what? be careful for my man. Well, go on. I walk my way there a long time.
Around there, and then she around here, I come from, I see a sister and she in there.
No, I did go do some delivery, so I said I just stop more.
Oh.
So, may come back around, can I have something to pack up. So we still on for date night later, right?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Just me call, eh?
Evening.
Evening, sister.
How your interview go?
Why? You look like it's a record, you know, look like them in the past. Interview.
Well, so you go, you can just try again. So I would them say like, they week you and call back or something.
Well, look so now.
Nobody look so worried. Me have blood system and have a problem for your stay and I can give money. Remember some of this is not going good, you know? Come like say remember. We have to turn our about. Stop worry yourself. All you do you wait and you get some call from the rest of people them. Right?
Alright.
So you put now.
That's so. You know, say, my young man here at Toga, they come check for him and say, you can on the road and do some delivery.
Oh, alright then. We linking later. So I go bail and then go look for something for you to me. No matter worry and stress yourself, man. You will get something else. Or if you get nothing, I'm my sister and me alright with you. I'm love a company anyway. So I go bail. Bail.
Alright.
But man, tell you something. You and your sister have to go move up because your mother gone to country now and it don't make sense me I pay for rent for 2 places, so I go move in there now, alright?
She never too really find a work yet, you know, but I pay for your place, so she just have to go. So I go just go right now. If she did, let me talk to her about it, alright?
Alright.
So we just start. You still don't find out yet?
No, sir.
You know, so me, yeah, my sister and everything, and me love the company there for 2 weeks now. But you not get nothing all there, look, and it's all kind of difficult with me. Fear, me alone, I fear do everything, and me I do delivery every day. Even though you couldn't help me, but probably another 2 days, so you go look work somewhere really. So not to you about helping me, but my spouse I pay for that place, yeah. Even though me have my business or whatever, I pay for that place, yeah. And you must say like, it don't make no sense to pay for rent. So, you go, they come here so now, you can stay there. So, it's either I go help you get one next place, pay for, or me and you pay for. I don't know what it's all about, I will go back to the country, but I can't make you stay here so anymore, because I can't tell him no. You understand? Because I'm a pay for your plates.
Alright. Alright, sister.
Sorry if it disappoint you and I have to make you, even though I know some tell us it's alright if you stay here, but as I say, I can't tell him no. So, where are you going to do? I will go back today or tomorrow, because it's kind of late now.
You can't make me stay till a morning early.
Yeah man, that's alright, you can stay till the morning. So, I have some delivery for go do in a day, so you can just go and stay around the house with me and so something there in the kitchen. When do you want you to sit there for me, I know say you're best for that, because I'm not good for the cleaning business. So I'm going to deal with it for me today, alright?
Alright.
Alright, so I'm going to pack up the delivery there, yeah?
Alright, sister. Mommy, this is a seminar can Better stay with her no more now, so I come on my morning. Yeah, I come on my morning. Alright. Miss Thompson?
Shan, what you do here? You look nice too. You get work on something?
Somebody come nice me up, you know. Oh, because what? The last time you told me the place you run me. You put man over me. Your own blood I run me out. Me come for run to the place.
This funny. You confront me. How comes you go run me out there? You want your son now? What is God?
Yeah. Me come for run to the place. You Mr. Brown, are your landlord? I me I work for now. And me come for run to the place. Me say how much you rent. And he said me for run you out of the place. You want the money you rent and you not pay.
You think if my girl me out, he might think give me some notice or something, so you better come better. What, how long me have in here?
2 weeks you have. And if you don't come up by 2 weeks, me I move in with my things them. So you have to come out when me come in.
And if me not move up when you come in, what you gonna do? What are we somebody finally sorry for you and give you a place? You glad to come in?
When me come here, and you not gone, a police me I bring come here. So make sure say 2 weeks come, you're gone.
Oh, okay. Me see it now. So, just because me tell you one little thing say, you can't stay no more. You gone there get work with man, and man tell us if you can run out your own blood sister. And just because me did that, you can't tell the man to your sister, you can't run out, you come to run me out. Just because of that.
Me and sister no more. Me glad, thank God for Mr. Brown. In see me, and sister me now know if you stay, and take me and put me up. You're lucky. You're not my family anymore. Sorry about that.
Go along. If you glad to somebody serve for you. I that you did why. You don't want to work for your own, you want people place. Oh, babe, not coming. Okay. Oh. Come in now. Come here, just come in, sir. Look one time. Look how long work done. Plus today or Friday. What gonna spend us for that? Pay.
Yes, sir. We can put a tour on my friend in my car or do something.
Me say, boy, I love that picture. Me say, if you don't know I'm today.
Oh.
No, my sister. Come here today, but knock. Miss Thompson. So she call Miss Thompson, me and her sister. Me and her sister relative. One because something I tell her the excited the funny part about it. She come and I said we have to evacuate. We have get 2 weeks.
Oh. We're not parent.
That is my point. Like remember so we tell Mr. Brown say we are home for a month, 1 little month. But the point that I not it either. How she come evacuate me? How is that?
Oh, she have authority for that.
And that me I say too. My sister is very manipulative. So like I said, she tell me say she a work with Mr. Brown and it look like say she know how to ball and tell a lie. So it look like she ball and tell him man some lie and make him man look like him a girl that place here. So him man a run me out. So she said if we don't move out in like 2 weeks and she come here, she said she gonna bring police. Because she ain't moving with her things. So we have to go left the place. And I know I understand. And me I try to talk to her and say, me and her sister and she talk about how me and her sister and me make man make me run her out. Me not a parent, I say you're a parent. I don't know if to say her. Honestly, I don't know if to say.
That's...
Aye, stay right there, son. No come no further.
But sis, don't tell us say, me sorry already, you know. Me not even didn't know say, you can just hear me out, please. Curious fashion did something go wrong with it, and me no want it no more. So me just ask if me can stay there, because me can't bother with me around this up. Me stay right now. So me can't just come back and stay with them. I did make it stay one time, I make a can't make me stay now.
Yeah, with a sister then, but not now.
So, you have to choose stranger over me. Alright. Me did have you one time, me did the other place, yeah. Me did have you and give you food and sit, and me did make you stay 2 weeks. And just because I run you now, I decide to pay back. Alright. It's alright.
Yeah, man. You want to others that they have been doing to you. You alright?
Where you come from?
Me go to the apartment room which my sister there stay, but we normally there because it's unfair. Because true she gonna work with the man when normally be with landlord and run way out because of one little time when I'm a parent. I know my sister there stay. I mean allow her to stay at the place where you are parent for. And just because of foolishness, I'm gonna go there to go talk to her and she won't give me a talk. I mean not like that, so I go back around there.
But me tell you if you love that alone, you go back around if I'm tell you if you leave it alone.
So what we are going to do? Stay in another place I want to life here. I don't want to stay around there, so I stay around there.
If you reach the end of this movie, I hear my voice right now. So remember, like, share and subscribe. And remember, if you want to donate to my mother's surgery, contact the number on the screen or the number in the description below. Remember, go and check out Kira's fashion, alright? Stay tuned for more awesome movies.